Hello, my name is Morghan Gray and I work at the Dougherty Art Center as a ceramics teacher. And today I'm going to show you how to make a slab mug. The tools that you will need is a rolling pin, a ruler, a rubber rib, a needle tool, and some sort of like cardboard cylinder. So what you want to do is you want to roll the slab out to about 1/4 of an inch. You make a large rectangle that I'm going to wrap the clay around. So I'm going to take my tube, roll it out. And what you want to do with any form of attaching clay is you want to score up the sides that you're going to smooth over into. So I'm going to go ahead and score this up with my needle tool. Score this side. Add a little bit of water and then roll it into itself. Like so. And so here's the seam. So you want to go ahead and smooth it over. And you want to have a little bit of overlap of the clay, about 1/4 of an inch. So now that the side is done, I'm going to do the base. The slab, I'm going to set it down. I'm just going to cut around. Like so. So to attach the side and the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and score as well. So once this is done, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Line it up. Whatever. So now I'm going to smooth the seam together. So once that is done, with a very damp sponge, I'm going to go ahead and smooth it. There'll be a little bit of cracks when you roll the slab over, and you want to make sure to smooth those out. So once that is smooth, you can work on the top part later. We're gonna have to let it set up for a little bit before we can take the cardboard out. But when you want it to start drying, you wanna make sure to take the cardboard out, because when the clay shrinks, it will crack. So now at this point, you can go ahead and add any decoration that you want. I have a fleur-de-lis that I really like. So you can go ahead and just add some decorations, or you can leave it plain. So I'm gonna let it set up for about like 20-30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and then take the cardboard off. So once your clay mug has stiffened up, you wanna go ahead and remove the cardboard cylinder. I like to put newspaper around the cardboard cylinder because it helps release it. Lift this up. So you want to go ahead and smooth the inside. the damp sponge. Go ahead and kind of clean up the top part. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and for more videos, follow us.